guys, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. Hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas as well. Speaking of Merry Christmases, I'm shooting this quad off to Toxic FPV, giving this away as a little Christmas gift to him. I'll throw some flight footage here on the screen. You can see the last flight didn't end so well. Had to get the neighbor's kids' help to get it out of there. So this looks like it's missing a prop nut or two. I'm gonna go out to the garage and dig up some old motors and grab them a couple prop nuts. We'll throw some new props on here. We're going to take it out to the field and give it a little farewell flight. Also, Chris shot me out some frames, some backup spare frames for the Mob 6. These are Meteor 65 frames with a little nice carrying case. Thanks, Chris. We're going to talk about him a little bit more in the field, too. We got some stuff coming out in 2021. And, yeah, it's a messy workplace. Got a lot of projects, doing some door repair. Try to keep busy during the winter, you know. So, all right, guys, we'll catch you out in the park. All right. All right, guys, we're here at the field. It's super windy. We had some rain last night and we got some more rain coming up tonight, so we've got her all dialed in. Got some new props in there. I was looking for the S3s. Sorry Toxic, I couldn't find the S3s, but I just put some banger GepRC props on here. So this is going out to Toxic FPV. I'll link his channel down in the description. Guys, go check him out, show him some support. He's a pretty new pilot, so show him some love. Help make his Christmas a little bit brighter. All right, let's plug her in. Let's get her up in the air. Good old farewell flight. Oh, let's do this. Whew. Right. Not used to flying this bad boy at all. Got some kids over there playing. So we're just cruising around. So hey, I've been, wow, it's really, the wind is picking up. So I've been talking a lot with Chris over at Explicit FPV a lot. We got some new stuff we're gonna be working on this next year. It should be pretty cool. Don't want to say too much about it because we got stuff in the works. Keep away from those kids over there. It's just a farewell flight, guys. We're just tooling around here, you know, nothing major. I'm not trying to ruin anything here. We got some cool stuff coming up for 2021. Should be a real exciting year. What's all that about? Something's running low. Goggles or radio. It's all right, we'll just get this quick flight in. But yeah, it should be a great 2021. Not gonna say too much now, like I said, but working with a few pilots on some things. See those people out there, so we're staying away, dude. We're staying way away. But Toxic, hope you enjoyed this quad. Good to have you at FPV, man. We'll wrap this up. Just a quick flight. I got something beeping, so something's low. You know, I'm used to flying my digital stuff, so I didn't really check everything out here. But I'm gonna go hit up Fresno State later today with the digital setups and have some fun flying. All right, let's bring her in. Must be the goggles. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it.